Taste the Daily. Taste the Daily.
குறைந்த விலை நிறைந்த தரம் தங்கள் தேவைகள் அனைத்தும் ஒரே இடத்தில் ஜெயச்சந்திரன்.
அனுஜ் ஸ்டைல்ஸ் ரகங்கள் பலவிதம் ஒவ்வொன்றும் உலகத்தரம்.
Hey amigos, welcome to Galata Telugu, and right now I have Kriti Verma with me. Let's talk with her. Hi Kriti.
Hi, how are you?
I'm super cool and welcome to Hyderabad.
Thank you.
Have you ever visited before Hyderabad?
Yeah,
Or this is the first time?
No.
Hmm.
How can it be the first time when I'm doing a Telugu movie already?
That's true.
And already one of my movies has got released in March. So yes, now I'm
That's
here.
Andal Rakshasi, right?
Oh, Andala Rakshasi.
Oh,
Yes,
Andala
right.
Rakshasi. Do you know that's a big film actually? Not
I know.
Oh
I know.
Andala Rakshasi. Andala Rakshasi is a super hit film.
I know. So I was super excited to be a part of that movie because Andala Rakshasi is like one of the most famous movies in the history.
And people know, but some people know, I have to introduce her like Big Boss 12 participant.
Yeah.
Which one is tough? Big Boss participant is tough or love?
Oh my god, what is the comparison? Big Boss and Love. I think Big Boss is the toughest because love ka kya? Love can happen anywhere, anytime.
Anywhere, anytime. Huh?
Obviously, you'll talk with me for long, you might fall in love with me. That's so easy. But you may try for Big Boss and you might not get into it because crores of people are watching it and they want to be a part of it. But very rare, like what is the ratio you see? Every year only 15 people are getting selected. On Love though, I'm very sure that you must have fallen in love so many times till now.
Okay, surviving in love is, if I ask you surviving in love or Big Boss participant?
Surviving in Big Boss is very difficult. Surviving in love, I mean, it depends. I think that you have been like little unfortunate till now in love. That's why you're asking such questions. And I think it is a very right question because these days actually finding a love and surviving in love is very difficult. I know. So I can understand from where you are coming from. Same situation. Not yet lucky.
It's a regular question, but I want to know how do you enter into films and all?
I got a job in Mumbai, so that's why I shifted to Mumbai. And then one day I was new to Mumbai, and one of my friends was going for roadies audition to Pune. So he just asked me like if he wanted me to accompany him. So I went, and then he was like, "What will you do outside standing whole day because you don't know the time? So let's go inside." So I was like, "Okay." Then I also gave GD discussions and interviews and all. I had no idea. And they stopped me for the next day interviews. He did not get selected, but I got selected. So then that's how actually my first show happened, Roadies. It is the most super hit season of all time, My Roadies Extreme. And I was the semi-finalist. Then Big Boss happened. Then I left my job. I was like, okay, it's time to become a star, I'm a TV celebrity. Now South has made me a theatrical heroine. So now I'm waiting to become a theatrical star.
But you know what? I'll ask you one thing. But choosing like number songs, item number songs, it's a wrong. If I ask you, is this wrong path? What you will tell?
Why? Haven't you heard that song? Sami Sami.
Yeah.
Haven't you heard that song, Uvantava? Don't you know that Sri Leela is doing some item song?
When she already recognized, when she already established in Telugu, after that she did that songs and all. That's okay.
Why do people always want to follow others? I don't understand.
No, I'm just asking, what is your perspective on that?
I can be a trendsetter, right? So I did one movie.
I mean, what is your first thought when someone reached you to ask you like you have to do some item song and all, item number?
Yeah.
What is your first thought? Have you ever questioned about yourself?
Yeah. My first question was, what is the movie? If it's a good movie, I would love to be a part of it, no matter if it's a special song. Why not? I mean, I feel great if somebody is asking me because only hot girls are asked to do some song, and especially hot girls plus a combination that you can really dance and express your emotions, It's a rare combination that you are good looking, you dance well, you have got expressions on your face, and if somebody is approaching me for that, oh my god, I'm the most beautiful girl in the world. Yeah. And I don't have any godfathers behind me who's gonna. So if I'm getting work, it's a good work. So I will grab the opportunity. Why not? Of course.
And have you ever did you feel like being a single woman and self-centric, is this tough to survival in this industry?
I'm not self-centric at all.
Huh.
But if I'll not be self-centric, if I'll not be obsessed with me, how will you be obsessed with me? If I'll not be loving myself, how can I expect others to love me? I have to love myself, and I love myself. And I don't think that it is wrong. You should be self-obsessed. It's not that I ignore people, no. I pay full attention to whatever you say. I pay full attention to what others require. I even fulfill sometimes what is in my hands. I'm a kind person. But I'm kind to myself also. If I'm happy from inside, then only I'll be able to keep others happy, right? So, and why, survival in this industry, of course it's difficult. And especially now when I'm in South and I don't have any person backing up me, or I don't know anybody. There's not even a single relative of mine who lives in Hyderabad, Bangalore. No, we all are from Punjabis, North, and nobody belongs to this industry. So in that perspective, of course, it matters, now. Supposedly if two girls are there and one girl, some reference, somehow someday comes.
Obviously, yeah.
So even you will choose, okay, she's a friend, take her. So in my case, maybe these things might happen some way, which I don't know. And that's why I might not get, but I am grateful that whatever I'm getting. So I'm doing good. So I depend on work hard, and rest, God will take care.
What's your job before entering to films?
I was doing a government job.
Government job?
Yeah, Beauty with Brains. Yeah, of course.
Can I check that? Huh?
Sure. Oh my God, you have not done your homework?
I'll
That's
check
sad,
that.
actually. Which anchor doesn't do any homework? I mean, he doesn't know about me. You should have Googled me.
I'll check right now.
You should check, of course. I mean, you're doubting me. At least, okay, chalo, let's make it interesting. We can do some challenge. 10,000 ki ko 10,000, 20,000 ki, we should put some challenge, na? Either you give me or I'll give you if I'm not.
What kind of challenge you want?
So you have doubts that I was not into government.
No. Not I'm. You said like Beauty with Brain, right?
Yeah, of course.
So I'm just
Of
pulling your
course.
leg. That's it.
Oh my gosh. Very sad joke then.
One actor you would love to do a romantic scene with?
Prabhas.
Uh-huh.
His height and my height, I think will look good together. I like Prabhas. Sir.
Okay. Any films you saw, how many films you have watched in his filmography?
You should not count good things. Nazar lag jati hai. In Hindi we say that. Evil eye. So you should not count good things, no?
One rumor you have heard about yourself that made you laugh?
That I'm dating some guy. It's not from here, but I actually heard that I'm dating some famous cricketer. Because I actually recently I went to this IPL matches, and I was in the lounge where the only girlfriends, wives, or family, can stay.
Okay.
Even friends lounge is different.
But
I was there only where the owner of the team was there and where the girlfriends and wives were there. So I heard this rumor, and then cameraman was also focusing a lot on me.
Yeah.
So I heard that she's definitely dating some cricketer.
Can I know who is that name?
It was a rumor.
Hey, no, it's okay.
No, I don't think.
Let me know.
Some cricketer. They even didn't mention any cricketer's name. Yeah, and of course I have because we were staying in the same hotel, the team. So obviously I have a few pictures because we were hanging out sometimes. Like you meet in the lounge and you can have coffee like that. So I have few pictures. That's why I didn't post even a single picture, because I thought that okay, if I post even one now, so they will take their name. So that's why I've not ever posted any picture with any cricketer.
Okay.
I don't want you heard this Urvashi Rautel and Rishabh Pant controversy. So I don't want to get into all that thing.
I mean, do you feel Nazar is real?
Nazar is real, of course. Although मैंने बहुत लगाने की कोशिश करी है, but लोगों को लगी नहीं. Some people I tried, but it never happened. Okay, I'm kidding. But yeah, I think Nazar is very real because I don't know, but whenever I go for some show, like suppose dance show, I did one with Nora and me. Only we two were
Nora
invited. Nora Fateh.
Okay.
So it was only me and Nora Fateh who were invited in Africa for Indian Cultural Fest. It's a big thing, okay? But the moment I came back to India for whole 1 week, I was not feeling well. There were like stomachache, some headache. I don't know. I was so ill. I can't tell you.
Okay.
So I think Nazar is real, of course.
I want to know one thing. Who is your 2M, 3M friends in Bollywood?
2M, 3M friends from Bollywood? No, nobody.
Hey, come on, Ray.
No,
I don't believe this thing. Come on.
Then you should believe one thing. That in my life, I will never take names. I'm sorry. I will take name.
Before.
I will only take name of one guy. Supposedly, if I am about to get
Other guys
married
will
to
feel bad,
somebody,
huh?
right now there is nobody. But one day if that stage comes, then I will take the name. Before that,
Why
I'm
you
not.
choose boy name? I'll ask a girl name as well, right? It's.
Even girl's name, na. No, girl. So I want everybody should remember only Kriti Verma. No other girls. I'm sorry.
Promotion.
Definitely. Of course, you should do my promotion. I'm doing my own. What are you doing for? What are you here for?
What you learned? I mean, you entered into films after in this journey. What you learned from the film industry?
I learned from film industry. I think humbleness, kindness. Actually, actually, you know what? I'll tell you very frankly, if I should say or not.
I can't take my eyes from you. It's
Oh,
a little
that's
bit
so
tough.
sweet.
Yeah.
That's nice. I like it.
Thank you.
Okay. So, what I have learned from this industry, I'll tell you. I actually have been, we hear. Okay, this is the first time I'm saying like such a thing, okay, very frankly. We hear things about actors, actresses that they have a lot of tantrums, they show attitude, this and that, okay. But one thing I realized is since I am a very jolly kind of person, very humble, very sweet, very down to earth, very frankly. So what happens sometimes with me is while we are working, like supposedly makeup is going on, 2 hours I'm in the vanity and I'm doing like this and that, all fun. That at certain point during shoot, I realized that though one of the makeup artists, she started taking me for granted. Like if I have to say, come do the touch-up and she's like, kya touch-up ki zarurat hai? Makeup to acha hi hua hai. You can't say like that to me on set, of course. If it is needed, it is needed, right? If the director is telling me to take 3 shots, 4 retakes, I'm doing that. So if I am asking you to do the touch-up, you should do it. You should not throw tantrums. And that point of time, I realized that this is just because I was so sweet and so friendly with you for 2 hours during the makeup that you are taking me for granted on the set and you're throwing that tantrum on me. So that made me realize that why with time, actors do have to show little, they have to maintain little distance. Otherwise, people do take you for granted and that is the problem. So industry has actually taught me to become less of myself.
More stubborn.
You have to maintain little distance. That's what I feel. I am very friendly, but then people should not take me for granted.
Yeah.
I don't know if I am able to explain this. But that's what I have learned.
I understood.
Sometimes actually it happened with me. Like there were like 2 celebrities who were invited for a show and
Differences of treatment.
Yeah, he's a senior artist and very well known from Bollywood. So we two were doing a show together. But what happened? He came and we had like very good green room. So he was there and then there were bodyguards. So they were not allowing fans much. So 2-3 times I said, it's okay, now let them come. If they want to take pictures and they have come to this room, which is difficult. So it's okay, let them take. But then what happened? He was not giving the pictures at all. Okay, no, I will not do. After 20 minutes, organizers made him leave the venue. He relaxed in his hotel room. I was there for 2 hours giving pictures to all his family, friends and who not. And I was dead tired and I had like early morning flight. Then that day also I realized he maybe senior, experienced. He knows, do the work, do little and go.
Okay.
So this I need to learn. Which I'm learning in the process, I guess. I don't know I'm learning or not, but...
I mean, do you feel still you are in the learning process?
Of course.
Okay.
What are you talking? I think, you know what? I think he is just mesmerized while talking to me that he has lost his brains. Because you yourself know that this is just my second movie. First got released, which I don't think that again he remembers.
Yeah, I know.
Which
Oman
just got
Bala
released like 2 months back. So of course this is the beginning.
Apart from the Telugu, I'm asking about you have some career on Bollywood as well, right? So
3 years maximum. What
Acha,
happens
acha,
in
very
3
3
years
years
to the
only.
fresher
Acha,
who
acha,
doesn't belong to this industry? Just the start.
A Telugu hero you find super mass but also secretly cute.
Every Telugu actor who is like my height.
Your height.
Prabhas sir.
You stuck up in.
No. I like Mahesh Babu sir also.
Acha, acha.
But see, he's already booked for next 4 years with Rajamouli sir. They will not cast me. So they are not casting me. So I find him cute. Of course he's cute. But all in vain, no.
You know Telugu, right? Little bit.
Koncham.
Usually frequent గా యూస్ చేసే వర్డ్ ఏంటి? తెలుగు వర్డ్. Frequent word you use in Telugu.
Koncham only.
Koncham.
Because everybody asks me, you know Telugu, and I say koncham.
What's most terrifying Big Boss nominations?
Most terrifying. It was mine only. Very sadly. I was
Before
the
that, I have never seen your Big Boss journey. I saw
That's
it was
okay.
say.
That's okay.
Huh?
Because in Big Boss, what happened? I was the captain. And being a captain, I threw somebody in the swimming pool out of fun. And there were mics and all, they got wet. And I was only nominated. So, like, captaincy gives you the security, you know, from the next nomination. And I lost that. In spite of captain, I was nominated. So that was very scary.
I mean, obviously you will meet Salman Khan, right? Salman
That is not scary. That is the best part of Big Boss. Every weekend, Salman Khan sir is coming, talking to you, taking your name. Hey Kriti, how are you? What else do you want? I mean, for the first time I remember, while we were doing Big Boss, it was the first day and we are sitting and the screen opens and suddenly Salman sir comes. And he says, and he just takes name. We were 4 girls. And when he said Kriti, I don't know what next he said. I was just crying. That Salman Khan sir is taking my name. He knows me. I was on top of the world. I don't know what he said next. I didn't care. I was happy that he knows me.
I want to explain one thing. I mean, comparatively, if you compare Big Boss Telugu or South Big Boss or North Big Boss, okay? If we divided these 2 Big Bosses, there is a little bit boundaries for the Telugu or else any South languages in Big Boss. I think there is no boundaries. I mean, no boundaries in Hindi Big Boss. Do you feel that?
What is boundary?
I mean,
okay,
like-
it all depends on an individual. Nobody is
yeah.
crossing any boundary in Big Boss Hindi even because
No, I've seen some
crores of
I
people
think some
are watching
OTT
you.
platforms are OTT Big Boss, I think so. I've seen some videos. It revolves around the social media, which it is not fair, which it is not suitable for the family audience as well.
Then don't watch it.
No, I'm just
Who is
asking your
asking?
perspective.
No, I don't think. I think that the video which I don't know which you were saying, but one video I know that it was all made up, which I heard that it was AI, and then I have not followed that much. That if something has happened, but I think that whosoever goes in that, they know very well what they are doing. They know very well that crores of people are watching you live even. So if one has to cross the boundary, he will cross, but there are sane people and we don't cross any boundaries. Of course not. So I think it's similar. Everybody goes there with some reputation, no? Or kisi ko, if somebody has to just get into the news and do something or the other, then he can do it in your Telugu or any other language. So it all depends on individual. It is not, you cannot just, say, you cannot stereotype Hindi and South.
Name some Telugu films you have watched previously. Some Telugu films.
I have watched many actually. Pushpa, I love Pushpa.
Okay.
I love Bahubali. Yeah. I
All
love
pan-Indian films
I love
only.
Kalki.
Kalki.
I love Kalki and I love और कितनी बतानी है? No, I have
Those all
watched
are
many.
pan-Indian
Kabir
films. Of
Singh,
course, it
जैसे-
came from Telugu, but it's all comes under pan-India films.
So Telugu is part of Pan India. What is the problem in it? I'm an Indian first.
Come on.
Of course.
Yeah, of course, all are
Before
Indian.
Punjabi or before working in South, I'm an Indian.
Yeah, obviously.
Pushpa is not a Telugu movie, is it right? Then I'm not wrong, na?
Pushpa is not Telugu film. I mean, do you feel?
It's a pan-India movie.
Yeah, I will agree
But
with that.
it is originally shot in Telugu only, na?
Yeah, that's why I asked
Then I-
particularly Telugu films.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Pushpa.
Okay, some never have ever questions. Okay,
I like it.
never have ever fake laugh on sets joke that was not funny.
Fake laugh on set when the joke was not funny. Haha, many times.
Many times.
I laugh any which ways.
Not an interview, right?
I thought any which ways.
Right now?
No. Here
Okay.
I am being myself.
Thank you so
Don't
much.
worry. You're not cracking any joke. I am cracking jokes actually. I should be paid for this interview.
Okay, bye. I'll chalega.
Yeah, so on set, yeah, we have to sometimes, of course. But I generally joke. I am very bad at laughing at serious situations and at PJs, poor jokes. I laugh.
Pathetic jokes.
Pathetic jokes also, they make me laugh.
Uh-huh.
I have very bad sense of
Okay, end
humor.
of the interview, I'll crack one joke. Wait. Okay, I want to know your breakup story.
So there has been only one breakup.
Only
till
one
now.
breakup.
Yeah.
At what standard?
No. It was almost 3.5 years back.
Acha, acha. Huh.
Find me a good guy. So,
Okay.
That breakup, he was actually very toxic, very possessive.
I mean, I want to know in a girl's perspective, what is toxic? I mean,
Toxic.
at the same end, the boy can also feel that same thing, right?
No, but he was very lucky that he had me now.
Hey, come on, yaar.
I
Why
swear, I
I'm
swear.
just asking generally, but every time telling, oh my.
No, but it's true. It's a fact. I swear.
Okay.
Okay, come on. You tell me. How you find a girl who is hot, who is sexy, who is beautiful, who is independent, who is working, who is loyal.
But never
and all.
understanding.
No, always understanding. And
That's okay. Okay, give me your number. I will keep in touch with you.
why? No, I can't give you because I'm single right now. I'm not cheating
That's why
on
I'm asking you,
anybody.
right?
He's just making use of this opportunity so well. Huh? He's very smart. So, call me later. So, and again, along with that, she's funny. And she's caring. So what else? Of course. And I give a lot of space. And I don't give any space for insecurities. You won't believe. Okay, I'll tell you. Once I
If
was...
we get that kind of girl, we can puja. What can
No,
we say?
he used
We
to
will
worship
puja
me
for-
only. No. See, I'll tell you, once I remember I was going on a stage for a show. My name is announced, everything, and I had my mobile and a video call came. I literally picked it up and said that I'll call you and sometime I'm going on the stage. It's not that I'm like, oh, just keep the phone away. No, if I can pick it up, anybody can pick up a call if it is in the hand at least for 1 second. That's what I feel. And that's what I do. So I don't leave space for insecurities.
Okay.
But on his part, the point comes.
Yeah.
If I mean, it was too toxic, too possessive. So ये तेलुगु एक्टर्स को अपना लव लाइफ में से कुछ करना शोभा देता है नहीं देता ना but I'm not answering this question.
Hey,
The thing,
it's okay,
I
it's
have been single all the time. I
No,
was
it's
kidding.
okay. You can tell.
No, I can't tell.
ఎందుకు
He said no. Your cameraman is only telling me no. Don't say.
It's okay.
Hey, मत कर रे. Heroine बनना है मुझे. Why are you discussing my all this thing?
Hey, it's okay. People has to know, right, how you are.
People actually know that I'm very good and I'm
You
single.
are single.
I'm single.
You are so much
3.5
of sweet.
years.
You are so much of sweetness. You have so much
That's
of
true. That's actually true.
Some girl has to speak, right? What's their perspective on these things?
Perspective on what?
On love and
On love?
yeah.
That you're very lucky if you get good love. I really admire Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma.
Yeah.
Whole day my reels are about Virushka all the time. So I really manifest that someday I will also get my Virat Kohli. Your Anushka Sharma is waiting. Where is my Virat Kohli? I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. All the best. Thank you so much for this wonderful time.
Thank you. Pleasure is all mine.
I hope you will get a number of projects in Telugu as well.
Oh yes, that's what I wanted. And you have not talked much about projects, रे. कुछ तो project क्या करता है? ये तुम क्या
Let me
मेरा
know,
ये relation को चिट्ठा खोल के बैठ गए हो?
Okay, let me know now.
Upcoming projects. Yes, I'm doing one international project. There also I'm the lead. And then अभी I guess
Can I know that name?
Name is all.
Haven't released.
No, it's I don't even know. It's tentative. They've not kept any name as of
okay.
now. Then there is one Kannada movie which I'm about to sign. Everything is finalized. I'm just waiting. I should not say evil eye. मिल जाना चाहिए मैंने बता दिया है. Yeah, and there are talks. Let's see. I want that I should be booked for next 3-4 years. I'm waiting for that day when it will come. Yeah, there are lineup of lines, films, and everything. Let's see. That day will also come, hopefully.
That's it, guys. This is Ajamai signing off.
Taste the Daily. Taste the Daily.
குறைந்த விலை நிறைந்த தரம் தங்கள் தேவைகள் அனைத்தும் ஒரே இடத்தில் ஜெயச்சந்திரன்.
அனுஜ் ஸ்டைல்ஸ் ரகங்கள் பலவிதம் ஒவ்வொன்றும் உலகத்தரம்